Hi, hello. Today we'll be learning how to play the D chord on guitar. So this is a really fun chord to play. I mean, I've struggled with it, but over time you'll get the hang of it and it'll get simple. So for the D chord, you want to put your third finger, which is your ring finger, on the third fret, sorry, of the fifth string. And then you want to put your second finger on, which is your middle finger, on the second fret of the sixth string. And then you want to put your first finger, which is your pointer finger, on the second fret of the fourth string. Okay, if you have everything right, it should sound like this. But there's a few things that can play the culprit here. And most people, okay, we're just going to go through the strings one at a time. So most people have this one right. So, oh yeah, I forgot to mention. For the D chord, you want to start at the fourth string because there's two X's on the top of the first two strings, which means you don't play them. So we want to start at the fourth, and so the fourth string, it should sound pretty good, unless your first finger is out too far and is touching the fourth string and it mutes it, and you get this type of sound. But most people have that under control. This one, most people have it under control. It might sound like this, that buzzing sound, but you just want to move up your finger as close to the fret as possible and press down hard enough so that buzzing sound doesn't come out. So it's like this. And then this one, most people get that right, but your second finger might hang out too much, and your nail might touch the fifth string, and it might get this really bad sound, or it might mute it. So you don't want that to happen. So make sure your third finger is back. And then the last string, the sixth string, is what I had the most trouble with, and what most people struggle. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that your third finger isn't flat and touching the sixth string, so you don't get a muted sound. But if your third finger is pressed down hard enough and your fourth finger isn't laying down flat, you'll get this sound, which is good. And make sure that it's not on the fret, or you'll get a weird sound. Make sure it's just good distance. And this is the D chord. Okay, that's it, guys. If you like this video and if it helped you out, make sure you subscribe and drop a like in the subscription below. Thank you. Hi, hello. Today we'll be learning how